In this video, I'm going over 3 fast facts about the 2022 Yamaha R7. Hey, I'm Lavatron, and on this channel you can find quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and the latest motorcycle news. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Alright, so the first fact is that the R7 is very different from the R6. After discontinuing their legendary R6 model, Yamaha released the R7. At first, it was easy to think that this was the proper replacement for their powerful 600cc bike, and while it kind of is, it may not be in the way that we thought. These bikes are based on very different platforms. The R7 is powered by the same and the much tamer engine found in Yamaha's successful MT-07 model, and it even features the same 298mm front brake discs found on the MT-07 instead of the bigger 320mm discs that went on the R6. Another big difference between the R7 and the R6 is the pricing. The R7 is about $3,000 less than the R6 ever was. The next fact is that the tech is modest on the R7. So this bike comes stock with ABS, LED lighting, a digital dash, and an all-new assist and slipper clutch. Other competitors usually have their bikes in this segment stacked with features that help assist riders like cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control. The modesty of the tech in the R7 goes even further in the dash as it misses out on key things like Bluetooth connectivity. I'm guessing Yamaha skipped out on these features in order to keep the price down on this motorcycle. The third and final fact is that this is easily one of the best modern mid-range performers. The Yamaha R7 is powered by the tried and true 689cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that, like I mentioned earlier, is found on the brand's popular MT-07. It delivers about 70 horsepower and 47 foot-pounds of torque at peak. Compared to its rivals like the Ninja 650, the R7 offers way better performance on the track and even on the highways. With this bike's weight of 414 pounds, coupled with stiff tuning and a powerful performance, the R7 is better at cornering and offers quicker exit speeds than its competitors. So there you have it, 3 fast facts about the 2022 Yamaha R7. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.